Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. This is Conic Section Part 2. In this part, we're going to discuss some important terms related to Conic Section. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In the previous lecture, we have seen that SP by PM is equal to E, which defines any conic section. So what are the important terms related to conic section? Let's find out. The first term is axis, the straight line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix. Since we know that focus is the point S, directrix is the yellow line, so any straight line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is the axis. So the blue line is the axis. The next term is vertex, the point of intersection of conic and the axis. Now, we are not taking any generalized conic over here, but we just need to remember these important terms, because when we will discuss in further lectures about conic section, we're going to figure it out what are vertex for circle, what is for parabola, what is for ellipse, what is for hyperbola. For different conic section, we're going to discuss the same, but in general, first we must know that vertex is any point of intersection of conic and the axis. Focal chord. Any chord which is passing through the focus is known as focal chord. As the name suggests, focal chord. Double ordinate. A new term. Double ordinate means a straight line perpendicular to the axis and terminated at both ends of the curve. So it always must be perpendicular to the axis. So double ordinates can be like this, being perpendicular can be like this according to the shape of the conic. And it must touch both ends, or we can say at any 2 points of the curve. Latest rectum. Again a new term, but it means that the double ordinate which passes through the focus is known as latest rectum. So a double ordinate, it means it is a perpendicular line but which passes through the focus, that is S, is termed as latest rectum. And the last term for our conic section is known as the center, and the center of any conic section is defined as the point which bisects every chord of conic passing through it. We're gonna have a separate lecture for how to find out the center and what is a center actually. But for now, we must understand that any given point which bisects every chord of conic passing through it is known as center. So guys, a very short lecture, but discussing the important terms related to conic section. Thank you guys. This is Yojit Bhasin signing off. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.